Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to change hair color in Photoshop. If you have an image in which the hair color doesn't look nice or maybe you just want to try out different one through editing, then in this video I'll show you how it can done in the Photoshop. So first you have to open a Photoshop and then upload the image in which you want to change the hair color. Then on your left side you will see this lasso tool. You have to select it and then you have to simply create a rough outline on your hair. Make sure you go as precise as it can be, because if you go as precise then you will get the best results. Otherwise the other areas other than hair may get the color change, so you have to be very specific that you're selecting the right amount of hair in your selection. Once you have selected the hair through the lasso tool, then you have to simply get the layers. So for that reason, on the top you can see we have different options. From all these options you have to go to the windows, and within the windows you will find the option for layers. Simply click onto it and click on layers. The layers will open. Then you have to click onto this small icon and then you have to click onto this hue saturation option. Click onto that option and select the hair. As you select the hair, then you will be able to change the color of the area that we selected through lasso tool. If you select the area other than hair, then you will notice the color also changes from there. So you have to be very specific once you are selecting the hair in the lasso tool. So now you can change the color of your preferences. You can select whatever color you would like to and it will get applied onto the hairs. So that's how you will be able to change hair color in Photoshop. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.